Hello friends, today I am so excited and I'm gonna show you an interesting thing. Today I will show you how easily you can find the area of any shape by using only the formula of parallelogram. So let's see. What is the area of parallelogram? Yes, we know it. The area of parallelogram is base multiplied by height. Here base is b, okay, base is b here. That's why we can replace the base by b. Okay, what is the height here? The height is h, so we will replace the height by h. So what will be the area of parallelogram? The area of parallelogram will be base multiplied by height. By using only this formula, we will find the area of all kinds of shape. So let's see. Now we will find the area of rectangle by using the formula of parallelogram. Already we know that the area of parallelogram is base multiplied by height. In case of rectangle, the base is called length. So we can replace the base by length. Similarly, in case of rectangle, the height is called width. So we can replace the height by width. So what will be the area of rectangle? The area of rectangle will be length multiplied by width. So it's so easy. Now we will find the area of square from the area of parallelogram. Already we know that the area of parallelogram is base multiplied by height. We also know that all the sides of a square are equal. Since all the sides of a square are equal, so the base and height of the square are also equal. Since the base and height of the square are equal, so we can replace the base and height simply as side. That's why I have written simply the side in the place of base and height. Okay. Now if you multiply side by side, then you will find just side square. So this is the area of square, that is side square. So it's so easy. Now we will find the area of triangle from the area of parallelogram. Already we know that the area of parallelogram is base multiplied by height. Now we will find the area of triangle. To do this, at first we have to cut the parallelogram into two equal sections. Let's cut the parallelogram into two equal sections by drawing a diagonal. If we look very carefully, then we will see that two triangles have been created in the parallelogram. One triangle has been created in this portion and another triangle has been created in another portion. We know that the area of parallelogram is base multiplied by height. Since there have been created two triangles in the parallelogram, so if we divide the area of parallelogram by 2, then we will find the area of one triangle. Okay, that's why I have divided the area of parallelogram by 2 so that we can find the area of one triangle or triangle. Okay, now if we take the half before base and height, then we will find the area of triangle, that is half multiplied by base multiplied by height. So it's so easy. Now we will find the area of trapezium from the area of parallelogram. What is the area of parallelogram? Area of parallelogram is base multiplied by height. Now if we look on the trapezium very carefully, then we will see that there have two different bases. One is A and another one is B. So which base we will use as our desired base, A or B? To solve this problem, we will take the average of A and B. Now if we take the average of A and B, then the base will be A plus B divided by 2 and our desired height is h. So the height h will be unchanged. Now if we take the half before all term, then the formula will be half multiplied by A plus B multiplied by h. Okay, this is the area of trapezium. Here A plus B means the sum of two parallel sides. One parallel side is A and another parallel side is B. So A plus B means the sum of two parallel sides. So our formula of trapezium will be half multiplied by sum of two parallel sides multiplied by height. So this is the formula of trapezium, and it is so easy. Now we will find the area of circle from the area of parallelogram. To do this, at first we have to cut the circle into 6 pieces, and these 6 pieces are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we will place these 6 pieces into the parallelogram. If we place these 6 pieces into the parallelogram, then we will find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we can say that the area of parallelogram and the area of circle both are equal. Since the whole circle is exactly in the middle of parallelogram, so we can say that the area of parallelogram and the area of circles are equal. So what is the area of parallelogram? The area of parallelogram is base multiplied by height. That's why I am writing the area of parallelogram is base multiplied by height. What is the base here? We can say this AB portion is the base of parallelogram. This AB part is how much of a circle? This AB part is basically half of circumference. What is circumference? The circumference is the total distance around the circle. So this AB part will be the half of total distance or half of the circumference. What is the value of circumference? The value of circumference equal to 2 pi r. So what will be the value of half of total distance or half of circumference? The half of circumference will be 2 pi r divided by 2. And this 2 and this 2 will be negotiated by one another or crossed by one another. Then the value will be pi r. So we can say that the value of half of total distance or half of circumference will be pi r. So we can replace the value of AB by pi r. Okay, and these AB portion and these AB portions both are equal because this AB portion is constructed by the pieces of 1, 2, 3, and this AB portion is also constructed by the pieces 1, 2, 3. So we can say that this AB portion and these AB portions both are same. So we can replace the value pi r by this AB portion. Okay, so what will be the value of base? The value of base AB will be pi r. Now what will be the height here? So now what will be the height here? The height is basically this portion. This portion is basically height here. This portion is how much in the circle? This portion basically in the circle is OB. So OB is called what? OB is called radius. So we can replace the height by radius r. Now if you multiply pi r by r, then you will find pi r square. Okay, this is the area of circle and it is so easy. Now we will find the area of cylinder. Area of cylinder can also be easily found from the area of parallelogram. What is the area of parallelogram? Already we know that area of parallelogram is base multiplied by height. So what is base here? The base is the circumference of this circular shape. Already we know that the circumference of any circular shape is 2 pi r. So we can replace the circumference of this circular shape by 2 pi r. Okay, so what is height here? The height is h. Okay, so if we replace the base by 2 pi r, then we will find 2 pi r multiplied by, and height is h, so we can replace the height by h. Now if we multiply 2 pi r by h, then you will find 2 pi r h. Okay, and this is the area of cylinder and it's so easy to find. Now we will find the area of sphere from the area of parallelogram. To do this, at first we have to place the sphere in the cylinder in such a way that the sphere fits properly in the cylinder. That's why I have placed the sphere in cylinder in such a way that sphere fits properly in the cylinder. Okay, now we will find the area of sphere from the area of parallelogram. To do this, at first we have to write the area of parallelogram. Okay, we know that the area of parallelogram is base multiplied by height. Okay, so what is the base of the sphere? The base is the circumference of this circular shape. So we know that the area of any circular shape is 2 pi r. So the base of the sphere will be 2 pi r, And what will be the height? The height will be the diameter of this sphere. We know that the diameter equal to 2r. The height is the diameter of the sphere. The diameter of the sphere will be 2r. We know that the diameter of any sphere or any circle is 2r. So the diameter or height will be 2r. Okay. So if we replace the base by 2 pi r, then we will find base equal to 2 pi r multiplied by, and height is 2r. So we will replace the height by 2r. Then we will find 2 pi r multiplied by 2r. Now if you multiply 2 pi r by 2r, then you will find 4 pi r square. And this is the area of sphere. So it's so easy. Now we will find the area of square shaped cube. We know that there have 6 equal surfaces in the square shaped cube. Now I have cut here one surface. So if we can find the area of one surface, then we will be able to find the area of 6 surfaces. And if we can find the area of 6 surfaces, then we will be able to find the area of square shaped cube. So let's find the area of one surface. To find this, at first we have to write the area of parallelogram, that is base multiplied by height. What is base and what is height here? Since this is a square, there have no any basic difference between base and height. There all the sides are equal. That's why we can replace the base and height simply as side. Now if you multiply side by side, then you will find side square. Okay, this is the area of one surface. Now we have to find the area of 6 separate surfaces. We know that the area of one surface is side square. So what will be the area of 6 surfaces? The area of 6 surfaces will be more. So we have to multiply here 6 multiplied by side square. This is the area of 6 surfaces. If we write in simply, then it will be 6 side square. So this is the area of 6 surfaces, and this is the area of square shaped cube. So it's so easy. Now we will find the area of rectangle shaped cube. We know that in a cube there have 6 surfaces. So if we can find the area of 6 surfaces, then we will be able to find the area of rectangle shaped cube. Let's find the area of 6 surfaces. At first we will find the area of this surface. Okay, let's assume the base of the surface is A and the height of the surface is B. So what will be the surface area of the surface? The surface area of the surface will be AB. Okay, similar surface of AB is staying here. Okay, this is the similar as AB surface. So we can say that the surface area of this surface will be AB. That's why I am adding AB with AB. Okay. Next, now we will find the area of this surface. What will be the area of this surface? Here the height is B. So what will be the base? Let's assume the base is C. So the surface area of this surface will be BC. Okay. Similar surface is staying here. So we can say that the surface area of this surface will be as like as BC. Here B is the height and C is the base. So what will be the surface area? The surface area will be BC as like as this surface. Okay, that's why we will add here BC. Okay, already we have got the surface area of 4 surfaces. Now we have left 2 surfaces. One is in the front side and another one is in the back side. At first we will find the surface area of front side. In case of the front side surface, the base is A and height is C. So we can say that the surface area of front side surface will be C multiplied by A, because the base is A and height is C. So the surface area will be CA. In the similar surface is staying in the back side. So we can say that surface area of back side surface will also be CA. Now we will add the 6 surfaces with one another. AB plus AB result will be 2AB. BC plus BC result will be 2BC. CA plus CA result will be 2CA. Now if we take 2 as common, then the result will be 2 multiplied by AB plus BC plus CA. So the surface area of rectangle shaped cube will be 2 into AB plus BC plus CA, and it is so easy. Now we will find the area of rhombus from the area of triangle. Already we have found the area of triangle from the area of parallelogram. What is the area of triangle? The area of triangle is half multiplied by base multiplied by height. Here I have divided the rhombus into two equal sections. One is red shaded triangle and another one is black shaded triangle. Okay, if we can find the area of red shaded triangle and black shaded triangle, then we can find the area of rhombus. So let's find the area of red shaded triangle. What will be the area of red shaded triangle? The area of red shaded triangle will be half multiplied by base multiplied by height. What is base here? D1 is the base. And what is height here? This portion is the half of diagonal. This portion is the half of diagonal or half of D2. So our height will be D2 divided by 2. Okay. Now we will put the value. What is the base? Base is D1. That's why we will replace the base by D1. What is the height here? The height is D2 divided by 2. That's why we will replace height by D2 divided by 2. Now if you multiply half by half, then you will find 1 by 4 into D1 multiplied by D2. Okay, this is the area of red shaded triangle. So what will be the area of black shaded triangle? Black shaded triangle and red shaded triangle both are the same in size. Since both triangle are same in size, so we can say that their area will also be same. Okay, so the black shaded triangle's area will also be 1 by 4 D1 into D2. So I am adding the black shaded triangle's area, that is 1 by 4 multiplied by D1 multiplied by D2. Now if we take as common 1 by 4 D1 into D2, then we will have 1 plus 1. Okay. Now if you add 1 plus 1, then it will be 2. Now we can divide 4 by 2. If you divide 4 by 2, then you will find just 2. So we will have half into D1 into D2. And this is the area of rhombus. Okay. So it's so easy. Now we will find the area of cone from the area of parallelogram. To do this, at first we have to convert or replace the cone into the parallelogram. So how will we do this? At first we will cut the cone by a scissor, then we will find this kind of paper. Okay, we will cut the paper into 6 pieces. So let's cut. I have cut the paper into 6 pieces. And they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I will convert these 6 pieces into the parallelogram. 4, 5, 6. Okay, we have replaced these 6 pieces into the parallelogram. So we can find the area of cone by using the formula of parallelogram. What is the area of parallelogram? Area of parallelogram is base multiplied by height. What is the base here? What is the base? 1, 2, 3 is the base. So you can say this portion is our base. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This portion is our base. 1, 2, 3 portion is the how much in the cone? 1, 2, 3 portion is the half of circumference. This 1, 2, 3 portion is the half of circumference. Total portion is the circumference, and 1, 2, 3 portion is the half of circumference. This total portion is the circumference, and 1, 2, 3 portion is the half of circumference. Do we know the value of circumference is 2 pi r? So what will be the value of half of circumference? The half of circumference will be 2 pi r divided by 2. This 2 and this 2 will be negotiated by one another. So the result will be pi r. So we can say that the half of circumference will be pi r. So the value of 1, 2, 3 portions is pi r. So the base of parallelogram will be pi r. Now what is the height of the parallelogram? The height of the parallelogram is L. Okay. In case of cone, the height is considered by L. That's why we can say that the height of the cone is L. So the height of the parallelogram will also be L. Okay. Already we have found the base and height. The base is pi r and the height is L. Okay. So the area of cone will be pi r L. Now we will find the total surface area of cone. What will be the total surface area of cone? When we will find out the total surface area, at that time we have to consider this portion also. So what will be the area of this portion? This is a circle. We know the area of circle is pi r square. So we have to add this portion pi r square, and we know the surface area of cone is pi r l. So the total surface area will be pi r square plus pi r l. This is the total surface area of a cone. So we can say that total surface area of a cone is pi r square plus pi r l, and the area of a cone will be just pi r l. Thank you very much for your attention. If you like the video, please like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Take care.